So this is the box I got from GameStop. I got it last week. Got a couple, like 4 games. Got it shipped to my house. And they're all pre-owned games. This one's sorry if the vision is it's like blurry or bright. This one's Mario Kart Double Dash. Let me check if how scratchy it is. Can't really see on the video. Looks like new. And then I got pre-owned Super Smash Brothers Melee. It didn't come with the case. It does not look like it has scratches on it. Maybe a little bit. And if you had the GameCube or still have it, you have played these games: the Smash Brothers Melee, Mario Kart Double Dash, Grand Theft. I got also Grand Theft Auto 4 for the PlayStation 3. And then Max Payne 3. So far, they don't look like they're scratched though. So that's good. This one looks like it's new. Yeah. So that's unboxing. I'm gonna play the game. Probably play this one first. Thanks.